Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Tuesday, so it is card day. So we are making, I'm calling it a double flap card, but I don't know what the proper name of it is. Put it in the comments if you know, because it's really a fun one. It's easy to do, and I am sharing some of the new stuff coming January 5th. So it's only about a week and a half away, y'all. So it's going to be here before you know it. Get your wish list going because there's so many good things. And Celebration is going to be along with the new mini catalog on January 5th. So I love this one. This is one of my very favorites. It's called Playing in the Rain. So I used this one here. I actually masked the flower here, and then I added the umbrella from the designer series paper. It says rainy days are better with you, but I'm going to use this little guy because he has already an umbrella. I'm going to use him this time. He's a little bit taller. I didn't think he was going to fit on here, but he does. So I am going to use him, but look at how adorable these are. And this could be used for Easter as well. Isn't he going to be so cute for Easter? And then it's got the clouds, flowers, and it all coordinates with this paper. And this paper is absolutely gorgeous. I love it because it's a specialty paper. It's called Rain or Shine, and this coordinates with it. So I did cut the umbrella, but can you see? I showed this in my haul, but for those of you who didn't see the haul, it is got like it's shiny right here. It's almost like it's got a little glaze over it. And it's so pretty, and even this piece that I used for the rain, you can see that shimmer on it. So it has that, and then I used the bottom of this big piece right here. But look at this paper. These are also like kind of laminated. That's what I'm going to call it because I don't know how else to describe it. You can cut out these figures with your dies, and you don't have to even worry about coloring these or anything like that. So you can just use that, and I love the back sides as well, and they coordinate so good. I cannot wait to make a treat box with this. But look at this paper. Can you see how it shines in there? It's got that shimmer to it. And then this is another one that's so cute. Look at all the umbrellas, and this is the rain that I used for that. And yeah, this is so pretty. So put these on your wish list. They are going to go fast. I'm telling you, it's going to be super popular. I can always tell. And it comes as a bundle with the dies. So here's all the dies, and you get a lot of extras. You get this little kite. You get the wood pile right here. There's a lot of things in here. This fence that you get that is our extra on here. So this is what I'm sharing today. So to make this card, you are going to need one piece that is 8 3/8 by 3 7/8. And then you'll need another piece that is 4 1/4 by 3. And I believe that's that one right there. And then you need, for the card base, a piece that's 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. So it fits in a regular envelope. Then we're going to mat it, and we are going to mat one that's 3 5/8 by 2 7/8, and one that's 3 by 3 5/8. Now all these measurements will be in the inspiration sheet for you. All right, so let's get started with this. First we're going to do, I'm going to grab this basic white, and we are going to stamp our little guy here. This time he is a little fox. He's so cute. I'm going to try my hand. I haven't colored him yet. So we're going to see what I come up with on this, because I don't know. I want him to be reddish because he is a little fox. So I pulled out my Calypso Coral blends, and I also picked up my Cajun Craze. And I also am going to try my hand with some crumb cake on him just to make him, I don't know. We're gonna do this right here. Now I am going to zoom you in, but you know what happens in almost all my videos. I sometimes forget. So we are gonna try not to forget. So let's zoom in here so I can show you what I am doing for the coloring. I think I'm gonna use the Calypso Coral because it's a little bit more reddish. So let's start with the light and see where we go with this light. So I'm going to color him first. And as you can see, it's not super light. I'm going to use this smaller side here. And I'm going to pretty much just kind of do it around the edges. Here, I'm going to leave the bottom part here, and I'm going to try using the crumb cake on there. And I'm going to just do the face first because I just want it. I did look at some pictures of some fox, so I'm not trying to be super accurate on this. I just want it to look cute. So we're going to do that, and then I think I'm going to color this whole section in with the light, and then I'm going to go back and highlight it a little bit with the dark, because the dark's going to be pretty dark on this. Let's do his ears while we're here. And maybe we'll do the end of his tail here. I think I'm going to do that in the dark though. So this is the dark. Oh, we gotta use. And I'm just gonna do like around here underneath his hat just to kind of bring that out a little bit. Yeah, I think I like this on it. I'm gonna leave that light right there. I'm gonna go underneath his little eye. He is so cute, y'all. These are so fun to color. And we'll do his tail here. I'm gonna do that in the dark. You can see how red that is. I really like that. And I'm going to blend that with the light again. These are so easy to use and they're very forgiving. So if you want to try these, I think you'd be really happy with them. I'm going to do his whole ear, and then I'm going to, let's do this part of his tail too. Oh, we'll need to do his feet too. Let's see his feet sticking out there. But we're gonna, look how cute he is. Oh my gosh, I love watching these things come to life when you color. I know some people do not like to color, but oh my gosh, I love it. It's so relaxing to me. It's so fun to really make these little guys come alive here. I'm going to do under here with the dark, and then we'll do the light, this part here. So that little red, because fox are red, well, you need to do your little hands here. So cute. Oh my gosh. And of course, I am going to use Daffodil Delight. No, I'm using Mango Melody for his raincoat. So we're going to use the light, because that's the paper that we're using. And he needs a little yellow raincoat here. How cute is he, y'all? This year I love, in this mini, oh my gosh, there's so many cute ones to color. I'm going to put some in his umbrella here. And I think I'll use some maybe Balmy Blue, because we're using Balmy Blue in there. And we're going to just do a little bit of shading. And y'all, I just look at it and see where I think I want to shade it. And it's as simple as that. I'm not a professional coloring person. There's so many girls you can watch that do such beautiful jobs, but like I said, I'm not a professional at this. I'm going to use the light Balmy Blue, and we're going to do one of these. We're going to leave every other one. We'll do the Balmy Blue here. And then we'll just highlight that. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. We had a very quiet Christmas Day, but Christmas Eve was crazy. We had all our family together. It was so much fun, though. Oh my gosh, we have so much fun. But, oh my goodness, we are growing, y'all. We are growing with the grandkids and the great-grandkids, and oh my goodness. But it's so much fun. I love family. I love this time of year. So look at that. Isn't he so cute? Now I'm going to zoom you guys back out. There we go. There you go. We're going to cut him out with the die for this. And it is this one right here. And actually, that's all we need to cut. Because the other one, I did the umbrella. And I had to cut that out too. But I'm going to take this to the cut and emboss, run it through, and I'll be right back with it. Okay, look how so sweet he is. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. All right, so this is our little guy we're using. Let's get the card made. Okay, so we have to score a couple of these pieces. We'll score that one and this one. This one's the base, so we don't need to score that. So let's go ahead and score. And you are going to score on the 8 3/8 inch side on this one. And you're scoring it at 3 1/4. That's it. And then on this little one right here, you're scoring it at 1/2 on the 4 1/4 inch side. That's it, y'all. I'm telling you, this is an easy card. Even a beginner can do this card. I know it looks fancy, but it is not that fancy. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put adhesive on this side right here. I'm going to use my Plus, Stampin' Seal Plus. And you are going to center it on the long part here of this one. So make sure you have like even amount of room on both sides on the ends here. I'm just guessing, but it's close enough. And then this piece we're going to mat. So I'm going to grab my Stampin' Seal here. We're going to mat the rain on one side and then the sunshine on the other, and the flowers. All right, so I think we are going to put this on this way. Just like that. And then we are going to mat this piece. And I just cut the flower part out of this because I just want it to be happy. And we're going to put that piece right there. And then we are going to mat it to this piece here. So I'm using Stampin' Seal Plus for this, so you're not going to see that flap there. And this part you want to make sure you have centered in the center here. Just press that all down. And I am going to use some Memento Black, but I'm going to put him on first this time because he's going to go this way this time. I am going to pop him up with dimensionals. And grab those because he's so cute. He's going to go right here, but let me get my sentiment. I don't want this to get in the way, so I'm going to do it to the far right here. Make sure you have it inked up really good here. I'm going to open it this way so I'm not going through so many layers, and put that right down at the bottom. Rainy days are better with you. It's so cute. And now we are going to put him right here. You can let him hang over a little bit. I could have gone over further, but it's okay. And then he's on there like that. There you go. There you have it. Isn't he so cute? Oh my goodness. And then it opens up and you can put your sentiment inside. And then here's the little turtle. Which one do you like better? They're both so cute though. So these are the two that I made, and I hope you enjoyed this, everyone. My December hostess code is still good till the 31st. Oh my goodness, y'all, we're almost into New Year. Holy cow. But anyway, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com, and I hope you have a blessed day. So I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.